Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you about night lighting or adding some landscape lighting to your yard. It really adds an amazing element to your landscape. It really allows you to enjoy your yard 24/7. So the day we have the beautiful natural sunlight, and of course everybody gets to enjoy it and all the beautiful colors, but at night, like a lot of people, you're working all day. You don't get to really enjoy the yard except for on the weekends. When I leave for work, it's still dark, and when I come home, it's dark already. So I get to come home to a beautiful, well-lit landscape. And this here is the Alliance landscape light feature. We love Alliance. It's been a really great feature for us. It's a solid brass fixture. A lot of the others are just coated brass, and so after a couple of years, you'll start to see the finish peel off. These guys here will last you forever. Very heavy duty fixture. It's got a nice stake in the ground. You can also adjust it. There's a turn knob here that allows you to adjust it. And then we install LED bulbs. So one of the greatest parts about this one here is that it allows you to change out the bulb inside here. It's a very simple fix. You can just pull it off and change out the bulb. Some of the others where they have the built-in LED bulbs, I don't recommend those because when the bulb dies, you have to change out the fixture as well, and it's much pricier. These bulbs here you can get for $50 or less. You can change it out yourself in a few minutes, or we can come out and do it for you. The bulbs should last you more than 10 years. They have a 10-year warranty on the bulbs themselves, and there's a lot of varieties in the white and the light itself, so we can go from a very wide beam if you're trying to provide a wash like over here on this trellis. It's a very nice feature to add, so we're providing a wider wash on this trellis. Or you can really get it narrow focused if you've got a really tall tree. We can also go difference on the wattage, so anywhere from 4 watts to 6 watts. Well, what does that mean? Well, a 4 watt is going to be something that you're going to do smaller for a very small shrub. 6 watts, you're going to be able to get up to a pretty tall tree, especially if we do a narrower beam. So we can really add the variety in that. And the good news is with 4 watts, it's adding very little electricity to your bill. So I let these guys run almost 12 hours a day. I just let them run all the time. That way too, it adds a lot of safety for me. So when I get up in the middle of the night, I know that I can look around my yard and I feel safe. There's nobody in my backyard. I can see everything, every nook and cranny for what I have. And it's a nice light. It's not like a security light where you've got the floodlights where you're blinding your neighbors. This is a very nice soft light, which also reminds me, you can change the color. You can go from a very warm white all the way up to a very bright, hot white on the fixture itself. So if you have more of a modern house and you're looking for something to really pop, you might go for that cleaner white light. But most people kind of prefer that warm white light to your landscape. These fixtures themselves, the body has a lifetime warranty on the fixture. If for any reason it does wear out, you give us a call. After a period of a year, we do charge you a service call to come out and do it, but it's going to be less expensive for you to handle it that way. And your fixtures need kind of annual maintenance anyway. And the maintenance is literally just making sure that they're staying pointed in the direction they're pointing, to just do a little clean on them because they do get dirty because they're in the landscape. But other than that, these guys are so low maintenance and they add so much value to your landscape. You've put so much in to your landscape, you might as well enjoy it 24/7. And then the safety feature on top of it, I just can't tell you enough how nice it is to be able to walk out in my yard no matter what time and know that nobody's hiding anywhere, that everything is safe and secure. And just the beauty factor, it's just amazing what it does. Try it out in your landscape today. Try something new and exciting. Have fun. Thank you.